Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to use custom forms in service menu calendars. Basically, add some sort of a questionnaire if you have more questions. Like in this case, it's going to be people will be able to book a haircut online, right, through an online form, but maybe you have like additional questions on top of the usual, name, email, phone number, right? So in this case, you need to create a form, and then we need to connect it to that service calendar. So first, obviously, we go to Sites, Forms, Builder, and then you can click on Add Form, or you can edit the previous one. I have some sort of a half finished one here, just as an example. Name, email, phone number. We can add more. There's custom fields. You can add more if you haven't created some already. I have some pre-created ones just to save time. But let's just scroll down. Let's just drag them in, and then we have the form ready. I think I had two. Yeah, just basically stuff like this. Do you have any allergies, any special requests, right? You can ask questions like this. It can also be like drop down menus or radio buttons, or they can check multiple, whatever it is. Those can be all created here, right? Under custom fields. That's a whole different story. But yeah, let's say you have your form, right? We can save it, and now we need to connect it to the calendar. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. So let's go back. Now we want to go to calendars over here and the calendar settings, and let's go to service menu. So we have, let's say, test service calendar, really original name. And let's go edit. And now we're going to connect the form over here. It's already connected, like it's already chosen, but yeah, you do the drop down, select your form, right? And then you click save. And then we can go and see what it looks like in the actual and like in real life. So let's go back. I should have actually, calendar settings. Let's go back to that calendar over here. I'm just going to preview it, copy permanent link, I guess. Yeah, let's paste it in. Let's go through the form. So this one, I think this is like a default template that comes with your Funneltopia account as well. I might be wrong, but I think this comes in here already. Like you might have that as well. So let's book. Let's just continue. This is not important. This is kind of related to like the very last step. Here it is, right? This is where the form shows up. And this is not part of the form, this payment thing. That's part of the whole calendar itself, because it's like a service calendar. But here's the form itself. We added it in. They can fill it out. Kind of breeze through this one. I don't know if it makes sense. Let me know in the comments. Or if you have any questions, actually, the quickest way will probably be over here. 24/7 chat support, let us know. That's probably going to be the quickest way to get any answers in case I skipped over something. But it's pretty simple. Create a form, connect it to your service calendar. So kind of two steps really. As for the custom values, that's like a whole separate thing. But yeah, you can just, like I showed you before on the left side, you can just add a new one and then select what kind of type. And then once it's created, you can just drag it in the same way I did, right? So that's kind of like the extra step. But yeah, just like I said, any questions, let us know. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.